How to scan to connect a Whirlpool Smart Tap Touch Controls Microwave. Open the Whirlpool mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in and select Add Appliance. Using your smartphone or tablet, scan the QR code displayed on the white rectangular SAID label found on the inside door panel of your appliance. Check that your router supports 2.4 GHz networks. Connection will not work with a 5 GHz network. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you wish to use for your appliance. If dual band, choose the 2.4 GHz network. Then tap Begin to start. Select your network. Enter the password for your home Wi-Fi network. Tap Done and Next. Find the Connect button located near the bottom right of the touchscreen panel on your microwave. Press the Connect button twice. When the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking, press Next in the Whirlpool app on your smart device. Connection to the router can take up to 2 minutes to complete. When complete, the panel on your microwave will display Appliance Connected. Congratulations! Register your appliance by giving it a name and tap Finish to complete the setup process. Enjoy your appliance and its smart features via remote control. Remember to press the Remote Enable button when using these features and to re-enable after opening and closing your appliance door.